Hello, you made it in. Congratulations. Welcome to the course.
Hang on, just pausing myself there. I forgot to mention that you need to sign up for Figma. Whoops. You can use this link on the screen here. And if you use my link, Figma gives me a little credit, nothing different for you, and it helps me keep doing what I do. All right, Taylor, you can unpause the video. Taylor is our amazing video editor, and he thinks I don't know he pauses my face in these awkward positions. On purpose. I know you do.
Either use the browser version, so sign up, use the browser version, or download the desktop version. There is absolutely nothing, no difference between the two. I'm going to use the desktop version because I'm old and I like things being on my desktop for no good reason, because they're exactly the same. So it doesn't matter. And that is it. Free version, paid version. We are going to use the free version for most of the course, mainly because it's amazing. Like, it's amazing what Figma have decided to allow it to be free versus what is paid. Towards the end of the course, I will show you why you might want to jump up to the paid, but you can get quite far as like a professional designer using the free version, but I will show the perks for paid later on. Also, Figma is always updating, which is amazing to me as a designer. It means new features come out all the time. They rejig things to make it simpler and easier and include more advanced features. It is really painful for me as an instructor because basically I know this. As soon as I finish recording this course, they're gonna go and shuffle some bits around. So keep an eye out for that. If it's just small stuff, just take a look. Often it could be just a name change. It's in the same place, does the same job, but maybe they've called it something else or clarified it a little bit. Also check the comments below. Either I'll leave a comment if it's just a small change, or other students will as well. So just keep an eye out on that.
Hey there, hey, a quick little note. If you find that your Figma does not look like mine, you might be seeing the new design UI that Figma has just released. You can get it back to looking like mine. If you, down the bottom there, you can click on the black question mark, okay, in the bottom right of the screen, and then go to the option that says go back to previous UI, and you will get Figma looking exactly like mine. They both work the same, they've just done some UI changes. But there you go, carry on.
Yay for lots of updates. Boo for lots of updates. All right, let's get on to the next video.